Hi, you want to start with the Oracle 651 and then load your mat. Make sure that you're on vinyl. And then you're going to want to open up your design space and go to text. Once you write in the word that you want, in this case, I wanted hello. I move over to the system fonts because otherwise you'll get charged with Cricut. Type out or have what your word is. And then click Make It. And then it's ready. Move it down from your border. And then click Continue. And your Cricut machine will connect to your Bluetooth. Make sure everything's set correctly to vinyl. And then you're going to want to use your feed. Once that's done, then you click the Go button, which is the little Cricut sign. And then it will start doing its cutting. And you get to watch that. And then when it's done, it'll be at 100%. And you can use your feeder tool again. Feeder button, and it will bring it back out. Then you're going to want to use a transfer tape. In this case, I use the Cricut. I'm going to feed or weed my word because I just want the hello. I don't want any of the other stuff. And then I'm going to, once that's all done, I'm going to cut my Cricut clear tape, the transfer tape to the correct size. Lay that on top of my weeded word. Rub it down. And then you can pull that sheet back and you will see that it is there. Apply it to your piece and you are done. I hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.